Welcome back to KnotsKusu. I am Sudha, and today I will show you how to transform simple cord and a keychain ring into a gorgeous macrame leaf. By the end of this quick tutorial, you will have a botanical beauty ready for your keys, backpacks, or to gift. Let's make your DIY accessories stand out. What you will need: macrame cords, one 12-inch base strand, 7 to 8 pairs of 10-inch working strands, keychain ring, scissors, small comb or clean hair comb, beads for extra flair, which is totally optional, and fabric stiffener or white glue. Step 1: fold the 12-inch cord in half and loop it around your keychain ring. Pull the loose ends through the loop to create a neat lark's head knot. If you want beads, slide them on now. Then clip or hold your ring securely so nothing slips as you work. Make sure you start from this end, not from that end. Step 2: take one pair of 10-inch cords, fold them in half and position them beside the base strand. Lay one cord under the base and then other over it. Pass it through the opposite loop and tighten to form a square knot. Pass each tail through the opposite loop and tighten to form a square knot. Repeat with each remaining pair, spacing the knots evenly. You will see a leafy pattern emerge on one side. For an alternating look, simply reverse the knot direction on every other pair. Step 3: once all your knots are in place, secure the ring to a stable spot. Use your comb or fingers to gently separate and comb out each strand. Start with a wide tooth comb and then switch to a fine tooth comb for smooth finish. Step 4: to keep your leaf crisp, pick one method. Either spray generously with fabric stiffener and let it dry flat, or brush white glue onto cardstock, press the leaf down and allow to dry. Both options firm up the cord and preserve your silhouette. I prefer fabric stiffener for a flawless finish, but white glue works beautifully too. Here I am using a white glue. Step 5: lay the leaf flat and choose your outline. It can be classic teardrop, pointed tip, or any other shape you fancy. Once set, you can then begin to trace out the shape with a pair of sharp scissors. Here I chose to make a teardrop shape. Make sure you trim it and don't let any strand stray. Precision here gives your leaf a clean, professional finish. Once dry, give your leaf one last gentle fluff. Attach it to your keychain ring, clip it to your backpack, or share it as a handmade gift. For extra flair, mix in beads or two-toned cord. And last, if you love this tutorial, smash the like button, share a photo of your creation in the comments, and subscribe to KnotsKusu for more craft inspiration. Hit the bell so you never miss a DIY. Happy knotting!